Hi everybody, hope you all fine. Welcome to Ryan Tech Zone. Today's quick review is for the car chargers. So I have a couple of car chargers and I was using them from quite some time. So I just want to share some reviews with you. Basically the best thing which I get is this Anchor car charger with two USB ports and with IQ charging, and it has I would say like it's double the speed from the regular charger. So it's not very fast, but it's two times more than a normal car charger. Like I will tell you, like I was using this. This is a Chinese brand, but it's very good quality. It's I think 1 year old, but now it's you can say it's not compatible with all the smartphones or the new smartphones, as they have different amperes and voltage. This is the Romos charger with two USB ports, but it's a slow charger, and now the smartphones are with the bigger battery. It will take so much time, and it gets little bit heat up, so especially in the summer. So this was good, but this one, the Romos one, is slow. So the best thing which I get is this Anchor one. So this is powered rise speed 2 39 watt charger, and this is quick charge 3.0, and with 4x faster speed, and it has two USB ports, and it's with the very nice this carbon fiber coating, and it has extraordinary, the quality is really very good, especially these two side buttons. Like if you have seen, there are chargers who has the bridge like thing here, so it's very annoying and very cheap quality. So this one is really very nice and good quality. This carbon fiber is really giving a very good and nice feel. So and the next thing is this, it has IQ charging, and when you put it in the car at night, you can easily see these USB ports, because it has a blue glowing light inside these ports. So you can easily see it at night. So it has a very nice and good speed. So the size is little bit big from as you compare with this charger, or if you compare with this charger, it has the bigger size. But when it comes to the quality, this one is really very good. So the compatibility is very good. Even you can charge your tab or smartphone or iPhone or any device. It will be easy to charge with this charger, because it can adjust the amperes of the charging, so you don't have to worry about the charging amperes. So sometimes that there are difference in charging and charger and battery, so it damages the battery, or it does not charge properly, and sometimes it takes so much time to charge. So you don't have to worry about this with this charger. So it has the multi safety measures, like you can charge in multi charging environments in summer or in winter. You can easily use this charger. So I really recommend this charger after using 3 or 4 other company chargers. This is really very good. So and the price is also very reasonable, but there are now so many models, so you have to check. I will just show you this Anchor two quick charge ports, and 39 watts and 4x charge speed, and this is a Qualcomm 3.0, two USB ports, and there is nothing else. Fast charging technology, and high speed dual port charging, and that's it. It's really very good charger, so it's recommended from my side, and rest is up to you. And there is something, the details of quick charge output. It has 3.6 6.5 watts, 3 amperes, and then 6.5 9 watts equal to 2 ampere, and then the last one is 9.2 12 watt equals to 1.5 amperes. This is really a very good charger. If you like the video, please subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Thank you very much.